Alright guys, so I got some fish sticks here. It is the Gorton's brand. Super crunchy fish sticks. Hold on. Maybe I can... Let me reverse the image. Those are the fish sticks. Put them in the air fryer when the air fryer was not on and it was completely cooled down. Put the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, defaulted to 20 minutes, and just let it go. And total cook time, don't know how long it preheated, don't care, but I know there was exactly 5 minutes left out of the 20 minutes, so 20 minus 5, 15. Total cook time of 15 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and they turned out super crunchy. So Gorton's fish sticks, yo. Because I feel like if you undercook them, so I think that's my strat, is just to let it cook in there longer. So because these ones, they'll cook, but like if you take them out too early, then they're like mushy, and I don't like that. But I also like get paranoid, so I don't want them to burn. So other times that I've had these, I took them out way too early, and it was hard to just eat peacefully. It's finger food. Is it gonna focus? See that? Nice, flaky, crispy. But if you don't like your fish sticks on the drier side, because I'm apparently psychotic for that, I don't know, then just take them out of the air fryer earlier and yeah, just have mushy fish sticks. It's not appetizing, and it doesn't taste that good at all. When you have it dried out like this, it goes so well with the tartar sauce. I'm like trying to get it to focus. The crunch. Nothing beats that. This brand, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. And if you want it to go well with the tangy tartar sauce, cook it longer, just watch it. And once like the liquid doesn't like bubble around like the batter anymore, and it's like drier, that's when it goes like best with the tartar sauce. But I noticed that every time I've taken it out earlier, like at 10 minutes, it's still super mushy, and like there's still a lot of like liquid inside. So yeah, so it makes it taste fishier in a way. But yeah, I feel like now, after today, I finally figured out the best way to air fry these fish sticks for my personal taste. Again, if you like mushy fish sticks, I may be the autistic one here with ADHD, but like mushy fish sticks, y'all, I don't know about that. We've had other brands of fish sticks before, but these ones are thicker. Most fish sticks are like half the width. and you get more in the bag. These were just the last 5 that were left in the bag. So, since I came home from work, I thought might as well just eat the rest of the bag because no one else is gonna eat it. And I'm known as the leftover queen in my house. Anytime my siblings are like, what do we do with our leftovers? My parents are like, give it to your sister. It's great. It's amazing. But yeah. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend this brand. So good. And it'll last you a while. I mean, the bag is like that tall. The bag is that tall and like that wide. So that's a good bit of fish sticks. But yeah, anyways, that is it for this review. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope you have a wonderful time of day or night. And yeah, appreciate y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.